Hello my beautiful bellitas and welcome back to another vegan video. Today I filmed this beautiful pink smoky eye look. I literally sat down, looked at my palette and said that's what I'm doing. You guys know how that goes with me. So if you guys would like to see what products I use and how I achieve this beautiful look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump right in. I'm going to do my face first because like I said in my April's BoxyCharm unboxing video, I wanted to try out this new brow thing that I saw some girl do on YouTube. So we're gonna do that today. So I'm gonna prime with my e.l.f. poreless putty primer. As always, it's my holy grail. If you guys want me to do a video like comparing this one to my Benefit Professional one, like a side by side, let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely do that. I definitely didn't think this through with my hair. I spent like the last maybe 20 minutes trying to do it. I'm just gonna have to be very careful with the swirlies on my forehead. And as always, I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I'm using my Luxie blender today. You gotta be extra careful not to get your edges. I think I did a pretty good job though. And then I'm gonna conceal using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I forgot how much I love this sponge. Gonna definitely be using that more often. So grabbing my Airspun translucent setting powder, I'm just gonna set everywhere just for my concealer. So I'm just gonna do like that brow thing before I continue with the rest of my face. So what she did, she grabbed her setting powder and like her setting brush, and then she put it on her brows just like that. Y'all hear outside? It's about to rain like crazy. And I guess she left it there for a little bit, I think. I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit. And I'm gonna contour using my Tarte Park Ave Princess palette, of course. I just realized I can't go like this because this is here. So I'm literally just like patting it like this. And I think it's looking good. Listen to that. Girl, how am I gonna take pictures? Gonna do like a little nice light bronzy, you know, cute or whatever. And I'm gonna grab a big fluffy brush and just remove the excess powder on my brows. She did it so it can become crisp. That was the term that she used, crisp, and that it looks good. So we'll see. I'll also name her in the description box down below because that's rude if I just like, let me try her idea out and not shout her out. So I got you, sis. I'm just gonna, you know, brush my brows. Y'all know the deal. This is really to see if it makes a difference on me. We'll see, because I don't know. I don't know. Girl, I see you. Okay. Why haven't I been doing this? I don't know, but I'm glad I am now because wow, that line is like so nice and sharp. I like that a lot actually. Like that, because it was like looking a little Casper-y in there. That looks so bomb. Oh my gosh, y'all should see outside. It's so dark in here now. The lighting changed hella. My mom's like, it looks like nighttime outside.
I don't know how I'm gonna take pictures because like the quality is just gonna be so bad. We're gonna finesse it though, because that's everything.
I feel like the only thing with this is you can't really go in and clean up your brows because you already did your face. Maybe I did it wrong though. I have to go back and look at her video. But I like how that looks. I like how that came out. I'm gonna continue doing my face. And we're gonna move on to our eyes. So I'm gonna highlight with my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. Oh, and we're gonna do our nose too, girl. We're gonna do our nose. Cute, girl. I could even just end it here. Natural beat face. Boom. Sis. I love it. And of course, I'm using my Almar Cosmetics Blush Colorette Trio. Why did that take me so long to say? I don't know. But this is my favorite. This is my favorite blush because just look at that natural peachy glow. This screams all the seasons to me. I use this in summer. I use this in winter. I use this in autumn, spring. It just perfectly matches my skin tone. It's that nice neutral. This is in the medium tan, so get this, girl. I also want to try their bronzer like trio thing. I've seen Kathleen Lights talk about it, and girl, I want to try it. Jump into my Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. I haven't used this since, I think this was October BoxyCharm, I think. I'm gonna correct myself if I'm wrong. I'm sorry if you hear the rain in the background. Mother Nature, why? I want to start off by grabbing this shade right here. It's called Sand. I'm gonna pick that up on my Morphe M433 just as a nice transition color because I want to play with the pinks today. I just want to have that nice base though. Just like that. I'm not gonna worry about, you know, blending it so much, making it so opaque, building it up at all, because I really kind of don't want that color to be seen like that. She's there but barely there. That's the vibe I'm doing with her. Grab my Morphe M441. I'm gonna grab Dusty Rose and just work that as my main crease color. Just like that, girl. This rain is crazy. Like, I want to talk, but I can't. I can't talk. I'm sorry. Remember when Ted first came out, and then I think I was in like 7th grade, and then every thunderstorm after that start singing the Thunder song? How did it go? When you hear the sound of thunder, don't you get too scared, just grab your thunder buddy and say these magic words, and then y'all know the rest, because you're just God's parcel. That was so funny. And then I'm going to grab this lavish pencil brush and pick up black. Place that in my outer V. It's all done. It's like, no. Then I'm going to grab my Morphe M506 and blend that out. And I'm going to grab this shade right here. It's called Pink. And I'm going to pick that up on my Luxie 245 small shader brush. And I'm also going to spray this first. I realized, well, you guys seen it, I tried to put like setting powder here so I can brush it away and then my line will be straight and sharp, but that's not what happened. So I'm just gonna use eyeliner to try to fix it. But other than that, I think it looks cool. I'm gonna touch up my lid because I feel like the shimmer is not, kind of got lost as I was blending everything else. So I'm going to grab my Hank & Henry liner. This is in the shade Blickety Black. That was absolutely horrible. I do not want it to be that long. That's so bad. Hopefully I can finesse it or something. I think that's really my motto. Everything can be finessed. That's really the motto I have. I don't like it, and I don't like it because I don't like doing my face first. So I'm just gonna do the trick that girl said, but I'm gonna find ways to work with it because there's dark like all under here and I wish I could clean it up, but I really can't. So I'm gonna try to put some setting powder. Maybe that'll help. So I'm just going to set my face really quick with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm fancy now. I got a whole fan. We're fancy over here. So I want to grab that dusty rose color and put that under my lower lash line. I'm going to highlight my inner corner using this cream color here. It looks different. Like, it looks different in person than it does on camera, so. I'm going to apply some lower lash mascara. So I'm going to grab my Appeal Gel Liner in the shade Sugar and Spice, and I'm going to line my lips with that. Okay, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If so, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post. Without further ado, I hope you guys have a great week. Stay safe and good vibes only. Bye. Lip gloss. Oh, no. Girl, go back to being Swirly. I put my money in it. I'm gonna grab my Hank and Henry liner.
Your makeup looks spanking. Look at that tail. That black shade back there.
I had a couple of mental breakdowns throughout it.
Esa Melita.